Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this. On your OBD2 sensor, port, sorry. It's your first pin, top right. Fourth pin on the bottom from the right. And then I'm gonna switch your ignition on. Let's get this out of the way. Hopefully you can see that. And it should give you a code. It'll come on, your airbag light, then it goes off, and now you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3. 9-3 is our code. Turn this off. You're gonna remove this. And go dig up a code. So after a little bit of digging online, this is what I came up with thanks to DP19. We have a bunch of codes there. So basically, yeah, we have a faulty driver's seatbelt buckle switch, and it shouldn't be too much of an issue. We can clean that and put a little bit of contact cleaner on that, put it back together, and once we clear the code, that should be it.